Uh, uh,
Okay.
Okay, we are recording.
All right, thank you. Barry, would you call the roll, please?
yes, we have Malcolm present, Joe present, Jason present, myself present.
Okay, next order of business is to approve the minutes from the last meeting. Everyone's had an opportunity to review them. Are there any comments or questions?
Get that screen up. Sorry.
That's all right.
All right, we got the right one up now. And the minutes.
Yeah, got your agenda now. There they are. All right. Okay, I would ask for a motion to approve.
Motion.
All right, thank you. Is there a second?
Second.
All right, all those in favor indicate by saying aye. Aye.
Aye.
Hearing all ayes, we'll consider the minutes approved. Next would be actions taken by the board. Barry, do you want to run down the list of?
Okay. Master plumber applications. Bodie, table, need proof of experience for master plumber. Elkins, approved. Journeyman plumbers. Cusimano, approved. Jackson, approved. Jelinski, 3 tests. Leonhardt, approved. He still got to send a photo over. Jason Ross, approved to retest. Somerville, table, need annual reports. Stern, approved to retest. King Young, table, no new information. Sayre, table, no new information. Toscano, rejected, information. Fernandez, experienced apprentice plumbing application. Fernandez, table, need photo. Ether, table, no new information. Summers, table, no new information. Apprentice plumbing applications. Carter, table, need master letter. Colombo, table, master letter. Domenico, table, no new information. Forced, approved. Giddings, table, no new information. Vitello, table, no new information. Master drain layer. Haley, table, proof of experience. Henke, approved. Journeyman sprinkler fitter application. Macedonsky, approved to license. Master lawn irrigation. West, approved. Journeyman lawn irrigation. Wagner, table, no new information. Chester, approved. Delgado, yeah, approved. Lotshaw, rejected, no new information. Nasal Road, rejected, no new information. Journeyman water heater replacement specialist. Grown, table, no new information. Selector, table, no new information. Calavas, table, no new information. Robinson, rejected. And that is all.
All right, thank you. All right, next on our order of business is our our testing results. Can you pull those up, Barry?
Yes. I did not get a chance to summarize those. So, let's place my sheet. I had IT. Sorry. So we have, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 tests is our last. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 failures out of the 14. Of those were master plumbers. 1 pass, master sprinkler fitter pass, master drain layer failure, lawn irrigation pass, master plumber ISOs. We have 1 failure out of 2. Journeyman plumber pass, journeyman water heater pass, master drain layer, 4 applicants. Out of those 4, 1 failure. And the master plumber, he failed both parts of the exam. And a master sprinkler fitter, he passed.
Okay, thank you. Next on our agenda. Oop. Jumped ahead, I think, didn't you?
Oh, I did. Sorry about that.
That's all right.
There
Let's
we
see.
go. I'm on the bottom.
Down at the bottom there, old business.
So it was, yeah, it was just, we still haven't put together that letter
Right,
submit to address those issues. So it's just, I'm keeping it in the whole business slot till we address the issue in writing.
okay, thank you. This has to do with how we handle the paperwork for retesting. If it's within the number of days of the original application of approval.
Yes.
All right.
No
Do we have any other items?
more.
Okay. Okay, so we had 4 guests. I assume they're still there. We want to open the mic and see if anyone has any questions or comments for the board.
Barry, would you like for me to unmute them?
Yes.
Yes, I'm trying to pull them up myself to see who they are. Okay, we have Don Summers, Kevin Convey, Sanel Jusic, and Will Oakcroft. So, yes, sir. Unmute them.
Sent them all a request to unmute.
Good morning. This is Don Summers. I have nothing for the board. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kevin Convey,
Yeah, good morning. I don't have anything either. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sanel Jusic.
Yes, I'm here. I keep taking this test. This is my 5th time, and I just keep failing. Is there anything else that's out there to do in order to pass this test, or do you gotta just keep retaking it?
What exam are you?
Master drain layer.
So the material that's been provided, is there issues that you're having other than what are the issues?
I have issues at the end where I have about like 12 minutes at the test, at the end of the test, and I have about like 15, 16 questions to answer. I think that's where I'm struggling to pass the 15, 16 questions in less time. There's not enough time at the end.
But you don't have any issue with the material, reference material? I mean,
Yes, not that much, you know, because this is my 5th time, and I always feel like I'm getting close, but I'm always failing.
I don't know what to say other than, the material is there, preparation is the key. We had people fail that. We have several people pass the exam on the first try, and we do have a few that repeat, but so I don't know what to say different than because you're not having any problems with the material, information if you feel it's not being covered on the exam, that's not in the reference material. So I don't know what else to say.
Right. Okay, I guess we take it again.
Well, good luck next time around, and answer just as a test taking hint on these type of tests, recommend go through and answer all the ones that you are pretty sure of without having to do a lot of research. Then come back and start to work on those where you have to dig through your reference materials to find the answer or do a calculation.
Okay.
That may help you.
All right. You guys have a good day then.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Let's see, do we have one more?
Yes, Mr. Obercroft. No.
Is he not here?
Can you guys hear me okay?
Yep, can you hear you
Yes.
now?
Yep, okay, great.
Did you see the photo?
I just emailed it to you. I tried to upload it in the portal, but I don't know that I can find, I guess because it's.
So I'm looking at the photo now, and he needs to take that against a plain backdrop. He's got a whole job in the background. So
If we-
yeah, once he submits that, we can we'll be able to approve his application. Tell him to take it against a piece of drywall or something. But I'm looking at it right now.
Okay, and I don't know if I can upload it in the portal because I guess it's been, it doesn't offer me the option to upload stuff the last time I was in there.
Give it to send email it to me just like you did, and I can put it in.
Okay. We will make it happen.
All right, sir. Thank you. When I get that, we'll update his from table to approve.
Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Is there any new business for the board? No. Then let's show our next meeting dates, Barry, please.
I'm up. Well, let me pull it up.
That's fine. Take your time. Okay. Our next meeting will be November 2nd at 8 a.m. It is planned to be a web meeting again. And then our last meeting of the year will be December 7th at 8 a.m. also. Then we don't anticipate that we're going to change from this web type based meeting unless there is some type of major issue that the board has to deal with that needs a hearing. Any other comments or questions? Hearing none, ask for a motion to adjourn.
Motion to adjourn.
All right, is there a second, please?
Second.
All those in favor indicate by saying aye. Aye.
Aye.
All right. Then meeting is adjourned, and we will see you all in another month. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.
You, good day.
Thank you.